for this upcoming video, I wanted to give some context to it because it's kind of an odd clip. It was our first time ever using a GoPro at Disney World or anywhere else, and we wanted to start taking some family memories and maybe some foodie videos. I wasn't quite sure what we were doing then, but anyways, we decided to film one of our breakfasts, video footage of the kids when they're young, but we just didn't quite know what we were going to do with it. It's just kind of been sitting on my shelf since then, and finally decided to release it. As you can see in the video, Parker was really young. Look at Parker now. It was from 2018, I think. So, 5 years ago, more than 5 years ago.
A little more.
You remember it?
Yeah.
Remember?
I remember hanging out with Flynn Rider and Rapunzel, and I remember smoldering with Flynn.
So anyways, we just wanted to preface the video a little bit because it's kind of an odd montage of a clip.
Still got the frying pan.
Oh, Parker.
Your food come out. Oh, yummy.
Bracken.
Goldfish.
Standing on furniture, I like the dream. Good choice. You're gonna draw on something.
We have a future artist.
It looks like it.
He wants him to fry pan.
He's just trying to take a look
Mom, is she gonna send the pan? She will.
Okay, you can do it.
Smolder.
Can you smolder? Show him your smolder.
Why not? Are you saving it for Blondie? You know she's married, right?
Yeah.
I hope so. She won't admit that the smolder worked, but think about it. I smoldered and now we're married.
You don't want to get up?
No.
Come on.
All right.
I'll let you smolder. Your brother's gonna smolder.
Okay.
Okay,
Dad.
come on.
I'm taking a picture.
Yeah, he has to.
Yeah, come on.
You guys.
Ready?
Thank you so much.
Cross your arms, smolder. You ready to do it too?
Smolder, Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Did you
Now-
smolder, buddy?
Yeah, I brought my dog.
Hey, for the dog.
Care.
Oh, you want to sign that?
Yes.
Absolutely. I like this.
Wow. Here, I'll let you manage that.
But yeah, that's okay.
You have two hands.
I'm trying to say, you seem busy. Not that you're so much of a handful, but I can already see the drawings you want to do on the piece of paper.
Do you want him to sign the inside of it? Do you think there's room for you, Anne?
Absolutely. I'll give this to you.
Yeah, thank you.
Trade you.
Ish.
Make room for Blondie.
Yeah.
Well, they seem pretty well behaved, so.
That's good.
My princely advice to you all is ladies are always in charge. You know this.
That's right.
I know, I get excited to see her too. Try not to smile too big when she gets here, alright?
Thank you.
Thank
Show her
you.
your smolder.
Oh, thank you. You haven't been swinging that frying pan around, have you? No. No, but the little one.
He did.
That's my what? I've been watching your shows a couple times. You have. You get to see what we've been up to. Yes. And the trouble that Pascal and Maximus can get into. All those pranks they like to pull on. See, they pretend they don't like each other. He's hanging around too. Remember how the water
Get a picture with them.
Morning, travelers!
I do.
Welcome to our gathering of navigators
I
and
want to stay
nomads.
away from the water.
We've got some explorers stopping by before you take off on your journey. Adventure awaits! Here to wish you luck on your adventures on land or the high seas. Let's welcome our fearless sailor. He's loyal and courageous. It's Prince Eric!
Do you want me to paint on
Oh,
those?
yes, please.
Luna,
We like you in the frying pan.
You got Glenn to sign this frying pan. I'm surprised. He's a little weary of it. Here we go and sign this too. You don't go swinging this around too much today, okay? Keep it away from everyone's smolder.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. See you later.
Bye.
You too. Bye, boys.
I've got a dream. I've got a dream. She's got a dream. I just want to see the floating lanterns gleam. And with every passing hour, I'm so glad I left my tower. Like all